everyone, it's me Sarah, designer and owner of Sarah Sustainable Fashion, and tonight is all about a prom season transformation. I'm gonna unveil that now. So that's what this video is all about, big reveal. It's giving Cinderella. I love the blue. And this is just a great example of a sustainable approach to this wonderful season of prom. This dress is gorgeous and so perfect the way it is, except for a little mending. Post in the comments if you're going to prom or know anyone doing the same, and I'd love to see your outfits for that. And definitely come back to see the fitting.